Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to take the Forend off of a Midland 20 gauge shotgun. This works on all the models, 12 gauge, 410 gauge, or 410 caliber. It doesn't really matter. The forends are all the same. So the first step is to make sure your shotgun is empty. The chamber is empty. It's good to work on. Now, take it and get a really nice firm grasp on the forend. Now, most of the time for single shots, the forend is held on by a lever system. So all you have to do is either pull the top of it off, or there's actually a lever that you pull, and that takes the forend off. Or for pumps and semi-autos, there's a screw, and that holds the forend on. This forend, however, is held on much like a rifle stock. There's a screw. The swivel stud is the screw that holds it onto the barrel. So the first step is to take I'm using the Allen key that came with the gun, any metal, or even, I guess you could use plastic or wood too, piece that fits through the hole. Now once you do that, turn it, just slowly get it nice and loose. Now once it's loose enough you use your fingers, I would do that because just less wear on the screw and the stud. As you can see, it is a machine thread. It's not registering. Yeah, that's not really showing up too well, but it's a machine threaded screw that you can put the swivel in. So now the forend pops right off. That's all it is. All it's holding on there. You do not need to take the grips off. That is completely independent of the system, which is nice. And now you have access to underneath the barrel for cleaning, bluing, whatever. And to reassemble it, all you have to do is make sure these little forks go into the respective spot on the barrel. Make sure they just lock nice and easily in there, and it'll pop in. If you have the barrel detached, be careful because the extractor can fall out. Because the forend is, and the barrel pin is what holds in the extractor and also the forend. But if both of those are removed, the extractor pin will just fall right out. So watch out for that. Now once you get it tight, you can use your Allen wrench, that in there, and just tighten it slowly, since you don't want to strip the threads or cross thread them or anything like that. Nice and slow, and then you'll be able to tell how many threads are left or how many rotations. And then once you get to that last rotation, stop once it starts getting tight, because that's as tight as you want it. You don't want to crack the plastic or break the gun at all. Not that I think it would break, since it's a pretty durable gun. Now you have your forend on. I believe this is one of the first YouTube videos to show you how to do that, because I tried looking for one and I could not find any. Once again, the gun's empty. Most of the time the forend comes off a lot easier, but that's because you have to take the forend off to take the barrel off for storage. Well, if a backpack gun like this, it folds right in half, so you don't have to worry about that. Well, thank you for watching. Please comment any questions and like and subscribe. Thanks, and have a nice day.